Hi, I'm Mark Wallstrom. I'm the president of Wallstrom & Associates and your host here on the Settlement Channel, a featured broadcast of the Legal Broadcast Network. Well, I'm bringing this to you either right on or right around tax day, April 15th, and I'm directing this particular broadcast to trial lawyers and litigators all over the country. You may have received this by email. You may be seeing it on one of our web feeds or one of our broadcasts. But if you're watching this, it's because you probably have been to your accountant or tax professional. You've taken a look at your tax bite. And the idea that I'm putting out here of how can we save you taxes, how can you rebuild your pension plan, and how can you do it with complete privacy, safety, and guarantees is something you're interested in. I'm going to keep this relatively short. I know you're busy, but I want to let you know something. That trial lawyers and litigators have one of the most unique opportunities that the tax code allows. This is not something that is not in the tax code. This is specifically in the code. There's no question about this. That trial lawyers can defer their income on fees on both personal injury and civil litigation matters. As long as it is a contingent fee being paid, you can structure or income average your fee over time. We've done an entire series this year on the Settlement Channel and on my website at Wallstrom & Associates on structured legal fees. And you can take the time to educate yourself, see the tax rulings, point it to your tax professional, and get the information that you need to satisfy yourself that, in fact, this can be done. So I'm not going to get into a discussion of whether it can be done. But the next point that I want to bring up is I want to make you aware that there's also a way to use the structured legal fee to turn an entirely taxable award into an entirely tax-deductible or tax-free award. We have had cases where people have had anywhere from $500,000 to $2 million fees that we have been able to shelter 100% tax-deductible into fully guaranteed and insured traditional pension plans utilizing a combination of a structured legal fee and a certain specific qualified plan option that has also been in the tax code for decades and is a long-standing, highly conservative, and traditional method of guaranteeing your pension plan as you approach retirement. Let's be candid. Tax rates can only go up for the highest earners. Number two, interest rates and the cost of business and borrowing money are going to be going up. Most trial lawyers that I know have spent the last 2 or 3 years seeing their retirement accounts absolutely decimated by a variety of factors, whether it's the stock market, whether it's the real estate crash, whether it was the need to go into the retirement plans to finance cases because traditional means of financing litigation had dried up. Whatever the reason, we all know that trial lawyers and litigators nationwide have seen a huge drop in the number I should say in their financial security related to their retirement. You have the options available using structured legal fees and a unique strategy that Wallstrom & Associates has developed to take your structured legal fee, to take your fee and to shelter 100% of that money in a way that you will not pay taxes on it until you withdraw it later on during your retirement years. This is an enormous benefit. The tax savings to many of you could be 40 to 50% of your fee, but it's going to take some planning. It's April 15th or thereabouts. It's too late for 2009, but it's just the time to start thinking about and planning for 2010. Let this be the year that you finally get your financial house in order, begin to do some of the things that are necessary to rebuild your pension plan, to use the tools that are available to you that are guaranteed, that are safe, that have full tax compliance and assurance. There's nothing fancy about this. It's pure bread and butter, but you've got to make the decision to do it. I'm here to help you. I've been doing this for 30 years. We're fully aware of the challenges that trial lawyers face. We know the business practice issues that you have, but we also know the tools that are there that can secure your future, secure the future of your family, and do it in a way where you reduce your tax bite legally now without doing things that are questionable or are going to be contested by the IRS or are going to cause your tax professional to have indigestion. This is basic blocking and tackling, and to use a football term, you need to be aware of it. We're here to help you, and I want you to give me a call or send me an email. All you have to do is send an email to mark@markwallstrom.com, or you can call me at 800-444-5924. I want to talk to you about this. I'm not going to give a lot of information because really I don't want to educate my competitors who watch all of my broadcasts. I want to talk to you. I'll talk to your tax professional. I'll talk to your spouse, whoever handles your finances, and work in partnership with them to help you rebuild your retirement plan, save on your taxes, but let's start planning now. This is the time to get started. Give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching this special broadcast on the Legal Broadcast Network. I'm Mark Wallstrom. I'll be talking to you again soon.